Hi everyone, may tanong ako sa inyo. Paano kung may program na simple, affordable, at kayang magbigay sa iyo ng life-changing income in just 90 days? Sasali ka ba? Imagine, in this program, pwede kang kumita ng at least 20,000 pesos per month or even up to 100,000 pesos or even more. What if this groundbreaking program costs only 5 pesos per day? Interesado ka? Aminin na natin, nakakapagod ng gumastos ng oras at pera sa mga paulit-ulit at mamahalin na courses na sa huli wala naman talagang naging resulta, di ba? Kung sawa ka na sa ganun, this is your chance to try something new. Let me introduce to you the Bayanihan Breakthrough 90 Days to Power Program. Ang Bayanihan Breakthrough Program ay hindi lang basta-bastang course. It's a strategic yet simple system na designed para tulungan kang makakuha ng tunay at measurable na income. Ito ang mga kaibahan niya. Number one, most affordable. For just 5 pesos a day, kaya ito ng kahit sino. Number two, digital subscription products. Magkakaroon ka ng unlimited access sa mga e-books, courses, talks, audiobooks, seminars at online lessons and classes tungkol sa self-development, business, relationships, psychology, success, mindset, health, anti-aging at marami pang iba. Number three, almost zero risk. Minimal lang kasi ang online school fees natin. Okay? Pero napakalaki ng potential nakita from our student referral program. Number four, simple system to follow. Madaling sundan, step by step, at hindi komplikado. Kaya ito ng lahat na may pangarap at, syempre, konting disiplina. Number five, ito ang pinakakakaiba sa aming program, ang pagiging time-bound. With our Kinsena strategy, alam mo kung kailan ka pwedeng mag-expect ng income. Sa loob lang ng 90 days, by following this program, pwede ka nang kumita ng income na kasing laki o maaring mas malaki pa sa sweldo mo ngayon. So, why Bayanihan Breakthrough is different? Unlike sa ibang programa na nag-overpromise pero actually under-deliver, nag-upsell lang ng kanilang courses, ang Bayanihan Breakthrough ay talagang designed para ikaw ay magka-resulta. It's affordable, strategic, and proven by numbers. Kahit compute mo pa ng sarili mo pa, di ba? So, pwede kang dito sa platform natin, sa school natin, pwede kang matuto ng life-changing knowledge gamit ang pinaka-impactful na resources. You will also be part of online classes and groups and coaching na pwedeng magpaganda sa inyong buhay, kalusugan at negosyo. And also, pwede kang gumawa ng mas magandang financial future gamit ang aming student member referral system na talagang nagme-make ng sense. Makabuluhan, kumbaga. So, hindi ito hulaan, hindi ito hausyaw, hindi ito bahala na si Batman. Okay? So, what's in it for you? Ito pa ang super exciting. Kung sasabay ka sa amin ngayon, sa darating na April, this coming April or May, maaari ka nang kumita ng steady income na kasing laki o mas malaki pa sa sweldo mo ngayon. Okay? Lahat na ito, habang nag-i-invest ka lang ng konting oras lang kada linggo, and for only 5 pesos per day. Pero hindi lang ito tungkol sa kitaan, hindi lang tungkol sa pera. It's also about transforming your mindset, your heart set, growing your skills, at pag-create ng long-term opportunities para sa lifelong success, health at happiness mo at ng iyong pamilya and mga mahal mo sa buhay. So, tanungin kita ulit, pagod ka na ba sa mga naglipanan na courses na mahal pero wala namang resulta? This is your chance to make a change. Join our Bayanihan Breakthrough 90 Days to Power program today and experience something revolutionary and truly life-changing. For only 5 pesos per day, pwede ka nang makakuha ng powerful tools for personal and financial growth. And also, we're gonna be working together. I'm gonna be your coach, and so are other future influencers and coaches. We're gonna be working together on the program. At higit sa lahat, magkakaroon ka ng chance na kumita ng income na pwedeng magpabago ng buhay mo. Huwag nang maghintay pa, kaibigan. Take the first step towards your brighter future today. Simulan na nating buuin ang pangarap nating mga buhay with You Academy. and the Bayanihan Breakthrough 90 Days to Power program. Excited ako sobra. Your journey to success starts now. Sumali ka na at sabay-sabay nating gawing breakthrough ang year 2025. Kausapin mo na ang nag-send sa'yo ng video na ito or i-click mo ang link below so we can get started you on your 90-day journey to a better life. This is Coach Tony. See you inside the school grounds. God bless.